Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Brislington Trading Estate. There's now two charity shops there, and I can't remember the name of either of them. Yeah, both of them big sort of warehouse style charity shops where they've taken over the premises of businesses that have gone. Yeah, does it actually put the name under there? I don't think it does. No, I can't remember what the name of the charity shops are. I'll put it in the video description. Anyway, as you can see, one wooden kit, £2. This is the sort of thing I would normally pay £1 for. I did notice RoboTime. I got some wooden automata, dinosaurs, that are actually motorized and sound activated, and thereby RoboTime 2 under a different name. They're ROKR, Roker or something, but it is RoboTime. There was two of these wooden kits. The other was a wooden car, which I am 100% certain I've done at least twice before, maybe 3 times. So I thought I'd just buy this rather than both of them. Also, £2. I'd rather pay £1 for something like this. This looks like it's stamped rather than laser cut. So we will find out when we come to assemble that. That'll probably go in the car, something to do when I'm waiting for Nanny. And then this thing, I really took my life in my hands to buy this one because Nanny is fairly sure that I have more than enough clocks already. So I didn't even tell her I'd bought it. She has noticed it on the table here, but she didn't know that I'd bought it in the charity shop at the time. I put a battery in it. This was yesterday we actually went shopping. I put a battery in it when we got home. It actually uses one of those bigger, those C type, size C. And yeah, it appears to work. It's kept the time. I set the time yesterday, and that is the correct time today. Obviously, I'll see if I can get these labels off it without leaving bits of sticky paper behind. Yeah, it's coming off okay. I just thought it was so big, so small and inobtrusive. Nanny won't notice it. Yeah. I suppose we could see if the bell works. See if we can adjust the time on the bell or the alarm. That ought to be about. Oh, there we go, just triggered it. All right, we'll go round again. About there somewhere. Then switch the bell on. And then I'll move the clock hand round. Nothing. It definitely clicked actually as I moved round, but that doesn't appear to work. Oh, that's good. That means we can take it apart and have a look at it. Let's move that one round again. there somewhere, then move the clock hand. There we go, yeah. It clicked in. You might have seen the second hand, the alarm and click in, but we got no alarm. 1, 2, 3 screws. We'll have a look inside. I'll reposition the camera as well. I've undone the 3 screws. One of them was actually partially out anyway, so I'm guessing somebody may have had this apart before. Well, if they have had it apart before, they didn't clean the dust out. Anyway, there's our alarm motor. Looks pretty dusty. I guess I can I'll get some leads and just put a battery straight on there and see if the motor actually works. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to look elsewhere. Well, it might be the switch, might be that simple. Right. Positive battery, negative battery. I don't know which way round it is on the motor, although that looks like an electrolytic capacitor, which means the negative is at that end. It has a silver stripe on the back of it that you can't see from where we are at the moment. We could zoom in a bit though, couldn't we? Right, that's a bit more convenient. So, as I say, electrolytic capacitor just there. The silver band on it is on the black leg there. Again, that makes you think that's going to be negative. So, crocodile clip on there. And see if I can just touch this on the other side of it. Nothing. So it looks like it's actually the motor's dead. Oh, I didn't expect that. Right, well, we'll take the motor out. It's just that cam rotating. Oh, there we go. It's going now. Might just need to clean the brushes. It does stop if I hold it in the right position. There, it jams. Might just give it a squirt of contact cleaner. That might sort it out. Switch that off for now. But yeah, can we see there's just a cam there, offset cam, so that's waggling that about. Yep, I'll get some contact cleaner, give it a squirt, put it back together, and we'll see if it works. Right, back together. If I turn the alarm round, there we go. Oh, well, that was fun. That was an extra bonus. Didn't expect to have to take it apart to check it. And it was interesting to see. Just a simple motor with a cam on it to rock the hammer. I'm pleased with that. Nanny won't be, but I am. I did notice it looks like the arms are slightly out of alignment. Hands, not arms. Because that's showing past 12 and we're only 10 to 12. We could take it apart and adjust it, but I don't think I'll worry about it at the moment. That's either the mechanism itself, the box is twisted on the back and not sitting level, or we just need to push the arms around a little bit. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.